Hello viewers, this is Akil from label Nabil and Akil. We are here at Limbic Studio for the shoot of Nabil and Akil's upcoming collection for Eid. We have made a kind of a collection which is quite simple and contemporary.
'Cause when you look into my eyes, you can see there's no disguise. Don't be afraid to meet someone. You don't have to be alone. Don't be afraid to meet.
The main colors are blue, black, beige and white. There are some little details which we've played with. We have used some kind of raw kind of a look of cotton with a hint of silk touch on it.
Hi everyone, this is Mikal here. You've caught me right now. We're doing a shoot for Nabil and Akil.
You don't have to be alone.
And हमने 7 outfits किए हैं and I thought each and every one of them were fantastic. I want all of them.
You can see there's no disguise. Don't be afraid to meet someone. You don't have to be alone. Don't be afraid.
We have played with the cuts. The cuts in this collection are quite linear, quite sleek.
To meet someone, you don't have to be alone. Don't be afraid to meet someone.
We really wanted to give a shalwar kameez a new, discreet, modern look.
Photography was by Rehan Qureshi. I'm working with him after a while again. I'm very happy that he's back.
The concept was to come up with something in relation to the Eid collection of shalwar kurtas that they've made. What we've done is we've created a very contemporary yet a European set. The art direction and the concept was done by our company. Bajaj's done the makeup.
There are few things in our mind while we were undergoing this collection, and these are number one, likability of the customers and the affordability.
Coordination was done by Coordination and Styling, and every other thing that you see here is by Danish Riaz. And Danish too I'm working with after a while, so it's very nice. He's very good in setting up the ambience.
For each and every outfit and design for this specifically collection, we have made special buttons to complement each outfit. In the shoot, you're gonna see how these buttons are working like a catalyst to really provocate the look of the outfit. We have to play with some simple things, excluding the embroidery.
I'll be your inspiration.
It's quite balanced and simple at the same time. It's not overdone, and it's not. It's something that you can wear on a casual day other than Eid as well, and it would probably make people like me want to wear a probably shalwar kurta once in a while.
About my own modeling, I guess, it was nice. I'm actually doing this after a while. I've been acting a lot. Lovely clothes once again. If you're looking for something for Eid, you must check out Nabeel and Akil at Wardrobe. And fabulous stuff. Go and get it. There's nice accessories as well. Great kind of scarves and shawls and stuff.
I'll be your inspiration.
Ambience was created in correlation with the fabrics used in the outfits. Once you get to see them at the outlet, I'm sure you'd like to get some for yourself as well. It's Eid.
ऐसा बंदा जो शलवार कमीज जिसने कभी पहनी ही नहीं है, like our art director Danish, he never wore a shalwar kameez in his life, and he was saying that, oh, this kind of shalwar kameez, I can even wear that. So this is a kind of a motivation. It will be on display at our Nabeel and Akil studio in Gulberg on the 17th of Ramzan.